Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add recently viewed products on Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for that, we are just going to need some coding to add to our themes. So basically for that, I'm just going to use this to assist this tutorial. Just search in Google for Shopify sheets code and then go to this blogger website. This is only a blog website where we can search for what we need. In the searching, search for recently as a keyword and then go to this title, how to add recently viewed products in Shopify. And then we can start our tutorial. And basically we need just to add this code snippet in our theme. So basically in our Shopify, we go to online store and then in our theme, we will need to go to edit code. So here we have this theme. We click on this 3 points icon, edit code, and then we will go to snippets. So from here, we will find snippets. We add a new snippet. We name it recent for or recent viewed for simplicity and we click on done, and from here we will start adding our code. So basically after that we need just to copy paste this code. So as you can see, we created our section file and we add our code. So basically we need just to copy and paste all this code until the last tag. So from here we end schema, and basically we have all this code added, copy and paste it. So let's copy and paste, and as you can see now we have our code here, and now we need to add this to our product JSON. So here we are going to add the snippets too in our product.json. So we will need just to search for the product JSON, and it will be in the locals, or we can just simply search for it because it will be somewhere here in the templates. So let's search for our order.json or products, and from here we need our products.json in the templates. We need to add our section like this. The recent products would be like this, and let's stay in our sections and go from here. We add our recent product section, and we should have a comma here as end of item, and after that we need to add it to the order. So we are just going to add our related products or recent products into our order, and basically order is this field. So from here add a comma and then add your recent products, and then you will need to save, and you will have your recent added to your theme. So I'm just going to save, and that's it. So recent key isn't known. We need just to make it known. So we should add these schemas into another file in our sections instead on the snippets. So all you need to do is bring this file and add a new section and add it in, it will work. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.